What's going on, Rockstars? Welcome to the channel. Today's Monday, November 25th, 2024. And of course, Friday is Black Friday, the biggest shopping day of the year. Thursday is Thanksgiving. There's no shipping Thursday. Don't forget about that, guys. You need to fix your listings on eBay, on Posh, on wherever it is right now to take advantage of as many of these shoppers as humanly possible, especially on eBay. I have reviewed over 400 stores in the last couple of months. I just counted. And the biggest recurring theme that I see all the time is people list items and months go by, they don't sell, the prices change, prices come down. Maybe they were priced too high to begin with. This is a huge, huge problem. It sounds so cliche and so easy that like you're overpriced, but I don't think people actually take the time to understand what being overpriced means. You need to go into your active listings on eBay. You need to hit that sort button, highest to lowest price, until it's going to auto sort it to like the lowest item first. And then you click it again and it'll go to the highest item first. And then you need to open that item up in a new tab, click on the item, click the revise button and click it to open it in a new tab. And then once that opens, open a third window. That third window is just going to be ebay.com. And you're going to type that item into eBay and you're going to search for it. And then you're going to filter it by solds and you're going to filter it by new or used, whichever it ends up being. And you're going to scroll down and you're really going to look at the prices. You want to sort them by the most relevant or recent. Then you want to sort them by highest price and lowest price. You want to see where you're falling in the prices, where you would be if somebody was actually searching for your item, just like you just searched for it. And you want to see if there's a chance people would even scroll that far down. Even if you have best offer, it doesn't mean that people are necessarily going to scroll that far just to see your item, right? Does that make sense? If your item is $70 and a huge majority of the items are in like the $40 to $50 range, then you might have people scroll, and they're not actually going to scroll that far down and never see your item. You need to do this for all of your items. Even if you just do it for 20, 30, 40, 50 items a day and adjust these prices, not only is it going to refresh these items because you're changing them, you're editing them, fill in a few item specifics, adjust the price. You can even end them and relist them or sell similar. And when you do it, you can adjust the price and the item specifics, then fill in recommendeds if you're missing some that can quickly be filled in, and do that for as many items as you can possibly do before the week comes. And then run a sale, run a Black Friday sale, have it run Friday or Thursday night through the weekend, through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever you want to do. Take advantage of people who are going to be spending money because they're out there and they're going to spend money. Reduce price. I'm telling you to reduce the price, and then I'm telling you to run a sale on top of that. However you got to do it. I'm not telling you to lowball or give away stuff or ship stuff for free. I'm telling you to bring your prices down, and I'm telling you to make sales. Move inventory. If something's been sitting there for 6 months, what are you worried about anyways? Sell it. Get rid of it. Move it. Stop being emotionally attached. Stop being so, oh my God, I can't do it. No, I can't do it. Drop the price. Sell the items. That is my motivational Monday rant to all of you to actually go in and do this. If you need help with your store, if you want me to help you get this store ready for Black Friday, there's only a couple days left. You need to hurry up and contact me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. I will set you up with a week-long eBay store review and audit. If you'd like it, it's $25. I will go through your whole store. I'll help you get them set. I guarantee you will sell an item or two to pay for the store review, and I will make sure it is ready for Black Friday. Pricing, items, everything that you need ready by Black Friday. Also, if you want to get the store review for only $20 with my training bundle, you can pick up my entire lifetime 2025 training, social media, and reselling bundle of videos, guides, bolos, and spreadsheets. It's all together, everything I've ever created in the last, 5 years, including updated 2025 information, including locations of all the thrift stores, Goodwills, retails, outlets, bins, Salvation Armies, estate sale companies, Facebook groups, you name it, it's all in there. And you will get a store review for just $20 extra on top of the bundle. It's either $50 for the bundle only or $70 with a store review. So you can do either of those options as well. That's linked directly. If you just want the store review and you don't want the bundle, email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I'll set you up for $25 for a week of store reviews to get you ready for Black Friday. Please take advantage of this week. It could be the difference in you doing $200 or $300 in sales this week or doing $1,200 or $1,300 in sales. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. You can also comment below. Enjoy your Monday, guys. I'm going to get this out by Monday night, and hopefully I talk to everyone by Tuesday, and I will start working on it ASAP, right away. Within hours of us communicating, invoicing, and paying, I will be on your store working. Thank you, everybody, and I will see you next time.